Okay. I went ahead and put the helmet stand on, and I used some big washers, and I took a marker and kind of made them blend in, and I tried that on that one down there, but apparently it's got a coating on it that it won't take it. A lot of the stain has dried, and I thought I'd let you guys get a look at it before I put it in the room and put it all together. So let me do that, move some stuff out of that room, get this set up. See you on the next video. Okay, here it is all set up, basically display style. The handles or hooks are bicycle holders. You can get them at any hardware store, and from hole to hole down there is 20 inches apart. I thought it was 18, but I was wrong. I left enough up there to put a helmet on top, so I am building a separate helmet stand. I got a bunch of helmets, so that'll work out okay. And that's enough stick out to stop any tip over. The helmet holder sticks out quite a bit. I was kind of surprised about that. I got more on the way to do the other one, but this is a stain. It's not a clear coat, and it makes a satin finish on it, so it kind of does blend in with the floor. So I'm getting that off the floor, cleaning up that area. Still have a lot of guitars, but at least it looks nice this way, and it's off the floor and out of the way. So thought I'd get y'all a better video of what it looks like finished, and I'll get them other projects done hopefully here soon and show them off to you guys. So anyway, this is where we're at, and I hope you guys like this and go out and build you one. And seems to be pretty sturdy. Yeah, that's not going to go over or anything. So yeah, I liked how that turned out. So anyhow, y'all guys go build you one, and we'll see y'all on my next project and video.